David. So good to see you.
Great to see you again. You look great. I hope you're doing well, staying safe.
Thank you. Yes, I'm safe. You look great too. And I hear you're up to amazing things right now.
Oh, we're so busy, Larry. I'm telling you, we're organizing a great cannabis party.
I've heard about this. I love parties. Yay. It's a summit, I hear. Tell me about the summit.
Absolutely. And I think we all need a little bit of a break and a little bit of a get together. So the summit is happening. Guess what date? 4/20.
Oh, that's perfect. What a coincidence.
It's going to be in Kelowna, April 20th and 21st and 22nd. So 3 whole days of nothing but the smartest and coolest cannabis people in the whole country right here in BC.
Oh, I have to be part of that. I'm one of those people.
Oh, we want you there. You're one of the best farmers in the country.
Oh, well, in that case, I'm going to come. I'm glad you heard about my product.
We want lots of farmers. We're going to have lots of farmers there, you know, because I think the farmers are like the rock stars. We really want to shine a spotlight on them because they're the best at what they do, like you.
Yay. Yeah, we are the best. Yay. A whole celebration of us. So what's going to be happening at this summit?
Well, we're going to talk a lot about tourism and how we can bring people from all over the world to come and see how good you grow and how our people grow and buy BC products.
That's so people can come visit me.
Absolutely. People from all over the world, because BC has such a great reputation for growing cannabis. So we really want to celebrate that and talk about tourism and all the jobs and economic opportunities that come with growing cannabis and small farms all over BC.
Yay, oh, that sounds great. Well, what else is going to be happening at this party?
Well, you know, we're working, the conference is at the El Dorado Hotel. Have you ever been there?
I've heard it's really nice.
In Kelowna, it's beautiful. It's right on the lake, and the people that work there are absolutely wonderful, and they're catering to us. They're really excited about having us there. Absolutely. And you know, they're going to let the people who are coming to the summit smoke cannabis there. They've created
on site?
Absolutely, the rooftop. They've opened up the rooftop patio so you can go and consume cannabis at the sunset.
No hiding in the garage.
No more hiding in the parking garage or out the back. You can go to the rooftop, and they've got this beautiful patio right on the lake, and it's right by where the conference is happening, and they're going to let the delegates consume cannabis there too. So it's really wonderful to celebrate cannabis together and talk about the really important issues.
Yay, party with cannabis with important issues.
Roll it up and hash it out in Kelowna. That's our line.
And for people who can't make it to Kelowna, can they still be part of it?
Well, we hope so, because we've had a really great interest. Everyone really wants to get together. So we're hoping we can do some digital streaming. And if you're somewhere else in the world or other parts of the country, you can log in and watch through your home computer and participate as well. So I think we're going to be able to do that.
Yay. And I heard a rumor that you're going to do a little bit of talking around reconciliation as well.
We do, yeah. There's so many great Indigenous farmers in BC and right around the Okanagan. So we think this is a great opportunity to celebrate that. We have a lot of really interesting speakers, and that's going to be a big part of our event, so we can celebrate all of that together, because there's so much opportunities. You know, it's going to be great with cannabis. It's really like a healing plant.
Yay, well, I can't wait to learn so much more from them.
I hope you can come. Do you think you can make it?
I think so too. I mean, you've sold me. That sounds amazing. Just having that rooftop to share a few joints.
Larry will get you a VIP pass, I promise.
Yay, because I'm a rock star, right?
You are a rock star, and so are our farmers, and we really want to celebrate them. So it's going to be really great, and really excited about it.
And how can people find out more info?
You can go Acres, which is the big retail association in BC. They work with all the retail stores. We're working with them, and we set up a special website. All you got to do is just Google BC Cannabis Summit, and it'll all be there.
Okay. Well, I can't wait. I can't wait to go to Kelowna and see this rooftop patio.
We can't wait to see you. It'd be great to see you, Larry. Thanks for having me on.
Thank you, David. See you soon.
Bye.